Hello, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.0 C300 AMG Line G-Tronic Plus. Finished in white color, the stunning coupe is powered by a 2-liter petrol engine producing 358 PS and is paired with refined G-Tronic Plus automatic transmission, delivering effortless performance and luxury. This AMG Line model stands out with its diamond grille with integrated Mercedes-Benz star and crown pins, flanked by LED high-performance headlamps with integrated daytime running lights. The lowered sport suspension and 18-inch AMG Aero twin-spoke alloy wheels ensure striking presence on the road. At the back, the full LED taillights and the integrated twin-pipe exhaust trim complete the sleek coupe silhouette, reinforcing its athletic appeal. The reversing camera provides added convenience. Despite its coupe styling, the C Class offers practical boot with 40-20-40 split folding rear seat configuration, enhancing flexibility for larger items. Passengers in the back will enjoy premium finish of the sports seats and ambient lighting, creating a refined and luxurious experience. The front cabin is the perfect blend of sportiness and elegance, featuring 3-spoke AMG steering wheel, heated front sports seats with integrated head restraints, and high-resolution 10.25-inch multimedia display for total driving engagement. The AMG multifunction steering wheel allows seamless access to driving modes, infotainment and onboard settings, enhancing driving control. Behind the wheel, the instrument cluster features 2 tube design round dials and a 5.5-inch TFT multifunction display, providing clear and intuitive driving data. Adding to comfort is the Thermatic automatic climate control with 2 zones, and an infotainment system which comes with radio and media, including DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports. The system also allows for hands-free calling and voice control for seamless communication, and Mercedes Connect allows for access to remote vehicle monitoring and security features. In vehicle settings, you can have customizable driving modes and ambient lighting options, and as well as dynamic select, allowing you to switch between Comfort, EcoSport and Sport Plus for individual driving modes. In system functions, you can manage settings such as navigation, pre-warning, traffic updates and vehicle diagnostics. This has been a quick presentation of the Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.0 C300 AMG Line G-Tronic Plus. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.